Namaskar. A warm welcome to the Bharat Ratna M. Vishveshwaraya Department of Civil Engineering, Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering and Research, Ravet, Pune. I am Samir Savarkar, doctoral from IIT Bombay, head of the Civil Engineering Department. We have well qualified and experienced faculty members, very dedicated supporting staff, up-to-date laboratories and excellent infrastructure. Since its inception from 2014, we have been nurturing our students with outcome-based education philosophy. That is, we focus upon overall growth of the students, knowledge, skill, attitude and behavior-wise, rather than just looking at the credits earned at the university level. In a very short period of time, we have produced 8 rankers at the university level. Besides being excellent in university results, our students are also excelling in competitive exams like GATE, MPSC, IAS. Our students of course excel in sports and cultural activities, and we do nurture them for that also. Our alumnus are successfully employed in private sector. Some of them have established themselves as entrepreneurs. Steadily but surely, our department is making a great progress. It's an honor and pleasure for me to escort you on the virtual tour of our department. So let's bow to this mighty mentor, Bharat Ratna M. Vishveshwaraya, and seek his blessings. Welcome again to the virtual tour of Bharat Ratna M. Vishveshwaraya Department of Civil Engineering. This is head of the department's cabin, which is used for one-to-one interaction with faculty, with students, with parents, and of course general administration. In the cabin are displayed the program outcomes, the department advisory board, the program assessment committee list of teaching and non-teaching staff members, and the institute's vision and mission, the civil engineering department's vision and mission, program educational outcomes and program educational objectives and program specific outcomes. This is the department library, which has access to the faculty as well as students. We have here engineering reference books as well as competitive examinations preparation books. This is a meeting room adjacent to the HOD cabin. It is used for departmental meetings, for some presentations, but besides that, it is used for spiritual practices and relaxation techniques like pranayam, positive affirmations, hypnotherapy, and counseling. This is Sthapatya Vatika, a specially designed central lobby which reflects various facets of civil engineering. The tools, the processes used in civil engineering are reflected here through models and hoardings. The bust of Bharat Ratna M. Vishveshwaraya is the auspicious starting point of all the events in the institute. In corridor are displayed the mini projects charts designed by students under PBL, that is project based learning. Also are displayed in corridor the information like right to information cell, anti-ragging cell, internal complaint committee, special standing cell and grievance redressal cell. We have displayed motivational quotes of philosophers and scientists in our corridors. This is Leonhard Euler's testing of material lab.
Greetings, welcome to Leonhard Lab, Leonhard Testing of Material Lab. Myself, Amar Devendra Chitole, the lab in charge of this particular laboratory. I published 7 papers in international journals. I write 2 books. I completed my post-graduation in structural engineering from SPPU Pune. And here is my colleague, Mr. Shubham.
My name is Shubham Shankar Nade. I completed diploma in civil engineering. I helped Professor Amar Chitole sir and other course in charge to perform all experiments.
Now let's have a tour of our testing of material laboratory. We'll start with the area first. This particular lab is occupied in 74 square meter area. In this laboratory, we perform experiments of two courses, that is MOS, that is Mechanics of Structure, and Concrete Technology. Now I am going to explain you about the major equipments in our laboratory. This is a VB consistometer. This is aggregate impact value machine. This is compaction factor machine. Here we have sheave shaker. For the storage of materials, we have the storage bins for coarse aggregate, fine aggregate and cement. Here we have ISORCHRP impact testing machine. These are the cube molds for cubes and beams. Flow table. This is tile flexural strength machine. Tile abrasion testing machine. And here we have compressive strength machine of capacity 2000 kilonewton. Here we have vibrating table and concrete mixture machine. In addition to this, we have this crack measuring microscope add-on equipment in our laboratory. All our laboratories have 3-phase power supply, and all our laboratories are open 24/7 to our students for their project and research work with prior permission of lab in charges and head of the department.
These are the outcomes of testing of materials lab. The lab has produced 5 products, 11 research papers, 4 copyrights, 3 patents and 19 projects.
We have a digital torsion machine with computerized output. We also have state-of-art servo computerized universal testing machine having capacity of 1000 kilonewton. On this particular machine, we conduct various experiments like tension, compression, bending and shear.
This is Carl von Tarzaghi Geotechnical Engineering Lab.
Welcome to Geotechnical Engineering Laboratory. I am Professor Rahul Patil, working as Assistant Professor in Civil Engineering Department. I am having a teaching experience of 17 years. I have published more than 12 research papers and also 2 copyrights at my credit. He is my lab assistant, Mr. Omkar Bhalekar.
I, Omkar Bhalekar, Lab Assistant of Geotechnical Engineering, completed my graduation from Savitribai Phule, Pune University. I assist Mr. Rahul Patil sir in this lab while conducting the practicals.
The laboratory area is 76 square meter. In this laboratory, we are having various equipments like direct shear test apparatus, unconfined compression test apparatus, triaxial shear test apparatus, then swell test apparatus. In addition to this, we are having infrared moisture meter by which we can find out the water content of a soil within 30 minutes. In all laboratories, we are maintaining dead stock register. Continuous assessment of all the laboratory work carried out by the student is assessed regularly by using well-defined rubrics statements. Apart from regular experimental work, this laboratory is also utilized for final year projects and faculty research. Thank you for visiting Geotechnical Engineering Laboratory.
These are the outcomes of Geotechnical Engineering Lab. There are products, granted patents, research paper published, copyrights filed and projects concluded. This is Daniel Bernoulli, Fluid Mechanics Lab.
Welcome, myself Professor Anand Basoraj Kudoli. My specialization is MTech in hydraulics. I have completed my MTech from Bharati Vidyapit, Pune. Regarding my research contribution, I have filed more than 6 patents and 2 copyrights. Also, I have published 9 international journal papers in reputed journals. Okay, and she is my lab assistant, Asmita Desai.
Hello, I am Asmita Desai. I have completed my BE in Civil Engineering from Shivaji University and I helped Anand Kudoli sir while conducting practicals.
The lab area of fluid mechanics is 70 square meter and the cost of lab is 6,99,765. This is the first major equipment available in the fluid mechanics lab. This is rarely available equipment. The name of this equipment is wind tunnel. Here we used to calculate the lift and drag force on the objects. This is used to design the shapes of the body. This is the second instrument, impact object. This is used to calculate the force on the object. Then next one is the multi-purpose tilting flume. In this equipment we used to carry out 5 experiments, like to calculate the velocity of water, discharge of the water, velocity profile and hydraulic jump kind of experiments we used to carry out. This is the electrical analogy apparatus. This is the one of the add-on equipment available in the fluid mechanics lab. This is the name of instrument is called as digital manometer. Okay, and this is used to calculate the manometric pressure. Okay, this instrument we have kept in our laboratory because in order to give the digital exposure to the students. That's why we are using this instrument. We displayed lab charts, models in all the laboratories. Okay, this is the kind of charts we have and models we have displayed in the laboratories. Our all labs are covered under CCTV camera.
These are the outcomes of fluid mechanics laboratory. We have a few models, products, research paper published, projects concluded by students and PBL models. This is Dr. Salim Ali Environmental Engineering Lab.
Welcome to Environmental Engineering Lab. I am Sushant Vilas Wagmare, working as an assistant professor in Department of Civil Engineering. I have completed my post-graduation in construction management from IIT Delhi. Currently, I am pursuing my PhD in Sanjay Ghodawat University. I have already submitted my thesis. For my PhD research, I have published 15 research papers in various national and international journals and conferences. This is Omkar Bhalekar. He is the lab assistant for Environmental Engineering Lab. This laboratory is used for conduction of practicals of courses Water Supply Engineering and Environmental Engineering 2 with a total area of 66 square meters. For this lab, we have several equipments, like we have the refrigerator, then this is BOD incubator, next is we have autoclave machine, this is COD digester, then this is the digital pH meter, next is flocculator, then we have digital turbidity meter, next we have the hot air oven. This equipment is a digital photometer, next we have the hot plate, this is the digital DO meter, then this is digital conductivity meter, next we have the electronic balance, this is muffle furnace, this is one of the add-on equipment we have. This equipment is fine particulate sampler, this is digital CO2 meter. Cylinder has kept outside for safety purpose. Also, we have the separate cabinet for hazardous chemicals. For every laboratory, we have the high-speed Wi-Fi connectivity for students as well as faculty. As a part of OBE, we follow the COPO mapping of the laboratories also. Here, you can see that for every laboratory, we prepare the COs and COPO mapping of each and every laboratory. Thank you for visiting Environmental Engineering Laboratory.
These are the outcomes of Environmental Engineering Lab. We have a product, a few research papers, projects concluded, wastewater management model and 1 patent filed. This is John McAdam Transportation Engineering Lab.
Welcome to Transportation Engineering Laboratory. I am Akshay Bharat Rahane. I have completed my Masters in Structural Engineering from Savitribai Phule Pune University in 2017. I am working here as an assistant professor. I have total filed 3 copyrights and completed total research papers 11 in numbers. Meet my lab assistant Mr. Omkar Bhalekar sir, whom you have already met. Transportation Engineering Lab occupies 76 square meter area. We have made provision of storage bins for storing material which is required for carrying out practicals. Apart from all these equipments, we have special equipments such as California bearing ratio apparatus and Marshall stability apparatus. These 2 apparatus are rarely available in all colleges. Speciality about these apparatus is that It is used for characterizing pavement thickness. For carrying out practicals on bitumen, we are referring standard IRC codes. We have set up of additional equipment in our laboratory such as inclinometer and digital K-type thermometer. We used to carry out practicals on these add-on equipments in every batch. We have first aid box in every lab for safety precaution. We have displayed do's and don'ts in every laboratory. Also, we have displayed safety measures in every laboratory.
These are the outcomes of Transportation Engineering Laboratory. Products developed, projects concluded, research papers published, and copyrights filed. This is Lieutenant Colonel William Lambton Surveying Lab.
Very warm welcome to our surveying laboratory. Myself, Mr. Satish Pitke. I am working as an assistant professor. I have completed MTech from Rajaram Bapu Institute of Technology, Sakrade. Currently, I am pursuing PhD in Shivaji University, Kolhapur. I have published 7 papers in international journal and I have filed 2 copyrights. I am lab in charge of this surveying laboratory, and Shubham Nade is my lab assistant, whom you already met. We have traditional surveying equipment as well as we have some modern surveying equipments. Traditional surveying equipment consists of this chain, then arrows, measuring tape, we have prismatic compass, then dumpy level, then this is the nautical section for hydrographic surveying related study. Then we have this open Krastoff, then optical square, plane table and its all accessories. This is the vernier transit theodolite. Then we have this vertical staff, ranging rod, and we have also some modern surveying equipments. This is the mirror stereoscope for aerial photography surveying related. We have this auto level, then we have 1 second theodolite. This is the total station. Nowadays total station is used everywhere for the surveying work. We have distance wheel meter and we have handheld GPS, and we have additional this setup of digital planimeter which is used for checking the area which is calculated by any other surveying method. These are the various tripod stand for supporting all these surveying equipments. When our students perform the project on actual sites, along with safety measures, along with shoes, goggles, they also wear such safety jacket and surveying umbrella. In every laboratory, we maintain the lab manuals, especially in surveying laboratory, we maintain such field book. Also, we maintain the logbook in every laboratory, in which we maintain the readings taken by the every practical batches. We also maintain the lab utilization register in each laboratory, in which we mark the student practical attendance of all batches. These are the various charts which is designed by us, which consist of the details of equipment and procedure of experiments. Thank you very much for visiting our surveying lab.
These are the outcomes of surveying laboratory: 2 products developed, 2 projects concluded, 1 patent filed, 1 research paper published, and we have undertaken 2 consultancy surveying projects. This is Stefan Timoshenko Engineering Mechanics Lab.
Greetings, welcome to Engineering Mechanics Lab. You already meet both of us. Now I am going to tell you regarding our laboratory. Starting from the area of our Engineering Mechanics Laboratory is 66 square meters. Now I will show you some important major equipments in our laboratory. This is Universal Force Table. We prepared the QR code for all the equipments which will give us the information in detail for our student. We have simply supported beam apparatus. This is curvilinear motion study apparatus. We have space force system apparatus, and we have coefficient of restitution apparatus. During pandemic, conduct experiment is a challenge for us, but we conduct all the experiments in our laboratory through online mode, and we prepare the videos of that and we have uploaded that videos to YouTube and Google Classroom for our students. Thank you very much for visiting our Engineering Mechanics Lab. Thank you.
I, Sudarshan Sampatrao Bobde, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, welcome you all to Research and Innovation Cell. I have completed my PG from Government College of Engineering, Karad, and currently I am pursuing my PhD from Savitribai Phule, Pune University, Pune, in association with ISRO's Indian Institute of Remote Sensing. I have published till date 15 papers, and on my account, the 2 granted patents and 7 registered patents along with 2 registered copyrights are there. Welcome to Research and Innovation Cell of Department of Civil Engineering. Here, all the research from the Department of Civil Engineering sit together very comfortably and work for their research. Here we sharpen the tools for the research. At the same time, we all sit together to discuss the idea, to just decide the direction and the pace of the research, and we have the critique and the solution as well over the research topics. The research scholars delivers their progress seminar before department staff and get the critique as well as solution on it. Also, we share the recent literature with each other so that research scholars feels comfortable while presenting their work in front of research review committee at their respective research centers. The publications and IPR is the major outcome from this laboratory. The quality of UG project is governed through this laboratory by observing the controlling measures such as plagiarism check, assisting students to choose journals wisely, promoting the students to take part in technical events at the state and national level. The institute is supporting the researcher for attending and presenting their research work at workshops and conferences, not only at national level but also at international level as well.
All our classrooms are airy, ventilated and well lit. In each our classroom, we have displayed our vision, mission, PEOs, PSOs, and this is the setup that we have specially developed for taking online lectures for our students during the pandemic period. We have a spacious drawing hall where students develop their drawing sheets, their assignments, their projects, their practicals for courses like structural designing and drawing, surveying, architectural planning and building materials. Next is Dr. Vijay Bhatkar, Civil CAD Lab.
Welcome to Civil Engineering CAD Lab. I, Sahil Salvi, working as an assistant professor in Civil Engineering Department, PCCR Pune. I have completed MTech in Environment and Water Resource Engineering from College of Engineering Pune, and I am pursuing PhD from Sri Venkateswara University in Civil Engineering. I have published 11 international journal papers and 8 copyrights. He is Mr. Onkar Bhalekar, and he is a lab assistant in this particular CAD lab. I awarded also as Youth Young Researcher Award in 2020 by INSC, which is Institute of Science, and I am member of various reputed organizations be like IST, Indian Hydraulics of Society and Indian Water Resource Association. In CAD lab, there are total 25 numbers of PCs which is well configured and which consist 8 GB RAM, 1 TB hard disk, Intel i5 core processor and 64-bit operating system. We have several open source softwares like QGIS, IPANET, GrassGIS, HECRAS. We also install Heat Office, which is related to ERP construction software, which is licensed version. We have several open source softwares like QGIS, IPANET, GrassGIS, HECRAS, also licensed version like Heat Office. Another highlighted point of this particular lab, it is a IRS ISRO Outreach Center where more than 350 students, academicians and industry persons registered and attended various courses offered by IRS ISRO. We have plotter which is useful for printing drawing sheets in A2, A3 size prints, which is part of survey, structural design and AutoCAD drawing sheets. This CAD lab is available for 24/7 with prior permission of HOD for research, projects, exams and seminar related work. We outsource lab for various competitive examinations, also entrance exams like JEE and CET. Thank you for visiting Civil CAD Lab.
These are the outcomes of Civil CAD Lab. Various activities conducted, projects concluded, and several certification programs. Next is James Hutton Engineering Geology Lab.
Welcome to Engineering Geology Lab. I am Mayura Yavle. I am working as an assistant professor. I have completed my post-graduation in construction and management. I have 18 years of experience. I have filed 2 patents, registered 4 copyrights. Also, I have written 2 books and more than 12 papers were published in various international journals. I am a lab in charge for this lab, but we have an expert visiting faculty who deals with this subject. Asmita Desai is a lab assistant for this lab, to whom you have already introduced. Area of this laboratory is 74 square meter. In this lab, we have different rock specimens, mineral specimens and 3D charts, which will help students to visualize the topic in a better manner. Here we have add-on equipment Brunton compass, which is used to measure the strike and dip of the planes. Every academic year, our students go for geology related site visit, which enhances their knowledge. Every of our laboratory, we have displayed Institute Vision Mission, Department Vision Mission, Department POs and PSOs.
Welcome to B Project and Concept Room. The journey of innovation begins with the conceptual understanding of basic fundamentals, and this laboratory reflects the same theme. The laboratory is designed and developed by students by displaying their work and products through various platforms like project-based learning, seminar and final year projects. The bright student used to teach the slow learners with self-made content using the material available at this laboratory. Area of this laboratory is 76 square meter. This is the laboratory where we found the cultivated ideas in final forms as a product.
So with this, we have come to the conclusion of the tour of our wonderful department. Thank you so much for joining with us, and I hope you do take a very good care of yourself. Thank you.